Docile presents Saima 23 in Dubai. Stunning beauty అని మీరు డిక్షనరీలో కొడితే దానికి synonym is actually Nidhi Agarwal. అంటే nobody can be, ఇంత స్టన్నింగ్ బ్యూటీ అని అంటే నిధి అగర్వాల్. So happy to see you in Saima 23.
After a long time.
Thank you so much. Pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much, Nidhi. Thank you so much. So Saima 23, the most happening awards function. Your expectations from tonight?
Really excited to meet everybody inside, to see the performances. And after COVID, I think I just get really excited when many people are in one place. So, yeah.
So any category you're waiting for, a category of awards or a special performance?
Everyone. Everyone.
Waiting for the evening to start.
Because I think, everybody, even behind the scenes, whether it's DOP, whether it's technicians, everyone works really hard. So really excited for everyone.
Lovely. After Ishmart, any new project of yours which you're eagerly waiting for?
Yes, absolutely. I'm shooting for a film with Pawan Kalyan sir. So that is on the way. We're almost done. That'll release soon. And I'm also shooting for one more film. I think people know about it. I'm just waiting to talk about it once they announce. But that's also going on.
Nidhi, one leak about Power Stars movie which you can give us. అంటే ఏదన్నా షూట్ లొకేషన్ లో కానీ ఎక్కడన్నా.
Just see, you said the name Power Star and everyone started screaming. So I think one leak. Well, you see this picture of Pawan Kalyan sir having tea. He actually sits like that and has tea in that same position. So I think that's a pretty good leak.
And how was it working with the biggest star in South India or all over India, Pawan Kalyan garu?
I have learned so much from him. I think I've never told anybody I'm their fan. He's the first and only person who I've said, sir, I'm your fan. So that says it all. Yeah.
Thank you so much for making it here. Designer wear or your wardrobe?
No, designer wear for sure. My stylist Nikita has styled me. Yeah.
Looking stunning, Nidhi. We love you and thank you so much. Looking forward for your movies. Thank you. In Saima 23 in Dubai, we have a stunner again. Banu looking fantastic. Designer, లేకపోతే your own wardrobe. What is it?
Yeah, designer. డిజైనర్ వచ్చి ఇప్పుడు పేరు చెప్పాలా అంటే
Grishma, lovely, great job. So Saima Awards is your first time or వచ్చారా?
ఫస్ట్ టైం
బెల్లంకొండ శ్రీనివాస్ గారు వచ్చారు. బట్ your expectations from tonight ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది అంటారు?
ఇట్ వాజ్ లైక్ గోయింగ్ టు బి అసలు క్రేజీ అనుకుంటున్నా. ఎందుకంటే నాకు కూడా చాలా ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉంది బికాస్ నేను ఫస్ట్ టైం కాబట్టి. అండ్ ఎస్ ఐఎమ్ సో ఎక్సైటెడ్. ఇట్స్ గోనా బి రాక్.
Lovely. We love to have you here. Thank you so much for coming in and you're looking very, very beautiful. Thank you.